You know what they say about impulse buying? I experienced it the other day. I went to the market for the keys and I ended up buying this cute pot. So let's unbox together. This is the biggest size. It's looking so nice. And the new pieces. It's not you that give up. Mama, come wash your hands.